In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a neutral safety switch on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. You'll find a 7mm bolt for the front fender liner. Remove the screws. Go around the bottom side of the bumper and remove all of the 7mm screws. Remove the Phillips plastic clip. Unscrew the middle. Pop the clip out. There's supposed to be a plastic clip here as well. Remove the splash shield. Using a trim tool, we're going to get up behind. We're going to pry the shift cable off our mechanism. Remove the connector off the neutral safety switch. Push on this back tab. To help myself, I'm going to put a small pick under the front where the lock is and pick up. Work the connector off of the sensor. Pull the harness up and out of the way. We're going to remove the center bolt. While doing this, you do not want this arm to move at all. We're going to use a large pair of pliers to hold it as we break the bolt free. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Pull the arm straight off. Using an 8mm socket, remove the two bolts holding our neutral safety switch. Remove the neutral safety switch. You may have to give it a little wiggle. Install the neutral safety switch. Get the bolt started on either side. Do not snug them down yet. Install the lever. Install the bolt. check our alignment, we're going to put the transmission in drive. We're in park right now. Reverse, neutral, drive. When you're in drive, there is a small line on the lever that's going to line up with a small line on our neutral safety switch. These marks are on the top and bottom of the arm, as well as the top and bottom of the neutral safety switch. Once these line up, we're going to snug down our bolts. While you're snugging these down, you want to make sure that your switch does not rotate at all and that your marks are still in line. Get the bolts nice and snug. We're going to pull our lever back to park. While holding the lever, we're going to torque the bolt to 22 foot-pounds. Do your best for the control lever not to move. Check one more time that your marks line up. Bring it back to park. Install the plastic onto the lever. Install the connector onto the neutral safety switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, push up on it, make sure it's locked on. Install the splash shield. Be sure it's sitting up inside of the bumper. Go around and get all of the screws started. Get the bolts started and snug them down. We have 2 more on the back side for the fender liner. Install the bolts on either side for the fender liner to the splash shield. Snug them down. Install the plastic clip in the bottom of the splash shield. There's supposed to be a plastic clip here as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.